Actually, I should probably go, but I'm too scared. Because I hate ice skating. Everybody should know that on. Emma did it! Mom, Emma came over her fear. I'm about to start to cry. Good job. So this is the lake. Snow on it. You can't. So currently we are in the woods visiting by a frozen lake. And I'm trying to get to a dock. And let's go see Eric ice skate. Let me just get down to the lake. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Hey, Julia. You see that little thing over there? That is Eric. So I'm walking over to a dock on the side of the lake. Yeah, just because we want to. So, we are on the thing, and we're gonna go explore in the forest. But here's our view of the lake. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we're gonna go in there. Emma, I just heard a branch crack. I'm leaving. What? So, it's getting dark, and we're gonna leave soon. We're eating donuts and sitting around the campfire. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to Our Sweet Life on YouTube. Hope you liked it. Bye!